So today's a really important day for us. We are from South Wales, so we're looking at lots of other outlets in North Wales, which is really tremendous. It's great to be up here talking to other producers about what they're seeing in the market, trends. We're talking about collabs with other suppliers too, so other producers. So it's a really great time.
Dwi'n meddwl bod digwyddiadau fel hyn yn bwysig iawn diwydiant ni. Mae'n rhoi cyfle i ti gyfarfod bobl newydd, rhannu syniadau.
There's a wealth of experience of people here doing talks today. I think getting those insights into the market from a retail perspective is huge for us because that is our core sector to focus on.
Nothing better than for somebody who's any business is to talk with like-minded people. But there's also a lot of advice, lots of seminars, lots of discussion points that are available to them. And I think this format works very well. I think this is the first year that this has been tried, and to me, it's an ideal format where you get, formalised talks, formalised presentations with, simultaneous sort of networking going on at the same time.